Bristol is the largest and most populous city in the southwest of England. With sandy beaches, rolling landscapes, Georgian architecture, and harbourside living, the city is a great place for students. The city has a mild, temperate climate with temperatures never climbing too high or dropping too low. There are a number of different ways students can travel around the city. Buses. Bristol has over 100 different bus routes. Getting around the city by bus is incredibly convenient. Trains. With major train operators running local, regional and intercity services, the city is the hub of the rail network in Western England. Top universities. The city welcomes over 30,000 students every year. Some of the major universities in the city are the University of Bristol, the University of the West of England, and Trinity College. Living. When it comes to living in the city, students can live either on campus or off campus. They will also have different types of accommodation to choose from, like private accommodation. Students can choose to find their own private rentals in the city. Rentals can be found by the student themselves, or they can enlist the help of a broker. Purpose-built student accommodation. Different from regular rentals, PBSAs can be found either on or off campus and are specifically designed for student needs. While most rentals come unfurnished, PBSAs will be fully furnished and have a range of amenities for students to choose from. All PBSA properties will also include Wi-Fi, electricity and hot water costs in the rent itself, so you won't have to worry about paying different bills each month. All properties even include laundry services, and most even have gyms, parking, building security, and are CCTV secured. Room options. There are also different room options for a student to choose from. Studios. A studio will include a multi-purpose living space that can be either single or dual occupancy, a bathroom and a kitchenette. En-suites. An en-suite is equipped with a private bedroom space with an attached private bathroom, and the kitchen and living space will be shared among residents. Non-en-suites. A non-en-suite is equipped with a bedroom that can be either single or dual occupancy, and the bathroom, kitchen and living spaces will be shared among residents. Events and student hotspots. The city hosts some exciting annual events that students can attend during their free time. Bristol Film Festival. A great place for students that love the arts, the Bristol Film Festival takes place every March. From horror to comedy, the festival features classic films from every genre. Slapstick. Slapstick is a comedy festival hosted in Bristol every year. Starting off in January, the festival offers people a chance to revisit old comedies from the silent era of film, featuring guest hosts and musical performances. The city has a number of places for students to explore, like Brandon Hill, Blaze Museum, the Clifton Suspension Bridge, Bristol Beacon, Cabot Circus, the Apple and the Bristol Cathedral. Bristol is a beautiful city with a lot to do. Full of restaurants, shops, clubs, museums and rich in cultural diversity, Bristol is perfect for students. So what's the hold-up? Book via Amber and find your dream stay. Visit us at amberstudent.com. Find the link in the description below.